Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to delete Microsoft account permanently in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps in this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open up your web browser and in the search box type microsoft.com. Once you're on Microsoft website, you need to log into your account. And as you can see, I already logged in my account. Then click on your account and go to my Microsoft account. Once you're here, you'll see some information about your account. What you need to do is click on your info and it's going to take you to your profile page. It's going to tell you more information about your account here. So you can scroll down and click on close account. And it's then going to take you to an article which explains how you can close your account and then make sure you are sure to close this account. And then tap on continue with closing your account. And then here click on close your account. And here as you can see it will need to verify you via SMS code. And then they will send you a code through a text message. Then type the code here and hit verify. And once it's verified, you will be going on this another info about in getting you ready to close or delete your account. And just in case you change your mind, they will wait 60 days before it will permanently close your account. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.